Hey, Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today was um, Tuesday, May 15th, 2018. Today should have been an easy day. Um, I actually had the right trade on at the right time, and I got spooked. Well, I shouldn't say I got spooked. I moved too close to even. Uh, where, okay, so anyways, long story short, when I turned on the computers, this has already happened. I was when I was sitting at the computer, getting up at 6, which is 5. So about 6:30 is 5:30. So my day, I started looking at the markets. Let me get my horizontal line, or vertical line. Was about right about here. I think this has already happened. I think it was somewhere around this area right through there. I'm pretty sure that's how my day looked to start with. So what was known was roughly right here. This bar had printed, and these bars right here had printed. So I was looking to short the market to start with, and I started shorting right in this area, I believe, or right in here. Now there you see some shorts coming in there, and then I covered right in here, and then the market went up through here, and then it topped out right in this area at R2. And then I got back in right in this area, I believe right here at 86 after this printed. This printed here, went down, came up through here, and then I got in right in this area. Now I could have waited through this to form and then get in underneath this at 78. That would have probably been a better entry from where I got in. So this was a 1P move based upon the high of 92 right there. So that was a 1P move, and that was my break even. So I actually had a nice trade on. And this trade right here, if I would have left it alone and allowed it to go roughly 65 ticks, I believe it was, um, from 86, and even let's just say 78. 78 less 65 ticks was 70.13, let's say. And you can see that was hit. This was my original target area that I was looking for on this trade. And I was trying to buy in here because I got stopped out on my trade, I believe right here. It came up right in this area at 70. I got out at 70 or 71, and I should have kept it at break even up here, and I would have never looked back. And I kept trying. I was thinking, well, R1, we're above R1, and I know why I did what I did. We're above R1, and I thought that R1 we go back to R2. But what I kind of forgot, not forgot, but what I did is all the blue bars here, you need offsetting reds normally to make the market stop moving. And there's your offsetting red, the very first one. So that would have been a good mark of getting out on like a second contract, but it didn't stop. It kept coming down. And it, eventually, this area right in here ends up being the exit point. This could have been an awesome short side trade today. And I'm kind of upset with myself because this is the stuff that I don't miss. And I missed this today because I was fooling around worrying about break even, and honestly I was trying to get the 32,000. So I was so concentrated on trying to reach a profit objective that I blinded myself to a nice movement. And I'm not going to beat myself up any more than that. Um, if I would have traded one contract, this would have been a winner. If I'd have traded two, it would have been a winner. Um, it is what it is. I caused this pain and punishment. Um, and to top it off, it was just a mess of a day. I thought I was in my practice account towards the end of the day, and I was in my um, combine account, and although I was up $890 or over 1,000, I hit my I hit my max daily loss. So uh, mistakes happen, even for experienced traders that have been at Top Step Trader for a long time. What I did was, honestly, I thought I had this account on the practice account because I had actually took a trade in it. But what I did is I looked back at this account quickly to see where I was, and I forgot because I had to go to the restroom. And then when I came back, I forgot to switch it back. And then when I took that last trade on, I thought I was in here, but I was actually in here. And then I got blocked. Although I was at minus 45, the 16 trades is over the $50, and I got blocked. I failed the combine because of an idiotic type of movement here. And I'm not going to beat myself up any more than I've already beat myself up. I'm done. Um, what I did decide to do is move up to the 50K combine and try that because I'm my logic is this. I've been able to get $1,500, and what I'm trying to do is trick my mind to believe that the 3,000 target is just two 1,500s put together. So it also gives me the ability to have the $1,000 drawdown, which obviously I don't want to hit. But it also gives me the ability to trade two contracts without worrying so much about um, those 50 ticks getting in the way. Obviously, it can get in the way really quick, and 100 ticks can be accumulated very fast, as well as 50. But it's time to still. I would say that I'm going to be trading. Like it's something like this up against the top. Trading two probably is a good way to do it. Trading two, trying to get a 1p on an up move is probably how I'm going to handle the ups and the downs. Trying to get 3, 2, 1.5 greater on the down movement. So um, I don't know. I'm just beyond frustrated right now, and I'm going to leave it at that because it was one of those days that just got away from me that I had it. I've had 32,000 on several different shots if I would have just been patient and allowed the market to rotate and move where I needed it to go. Um, and it was it just it, I don't know what else other than to say that I was up at 1,500 at several different times, and if I would have held on a trade here or there um, yesterday and Friday and Thursday, I've had opportunities on Thursday, Friday, yesterday, and today to get this account up over 32,000, and I had a mental block. I was moving to break even too quick, um, just not allowing the market to to do its thing at this point. So, and obviously, I wouldn't want to be involved when the market's getting crazy. Look at this movement right here. It goes from here all the way up through here and then all the way back down. I mean, that's just crazy movement, right? But the easy trade, oops. But the easy trade was back here, was the short. That short right through here. That was the easy setup. I mean, once it went down, I mean, it never really looked back for the most part and hit its objective. I knew where I wanted the market to go to on my short, but here I am trying to buy this market all the way in through here because one reason, because I allowed this market right here to knock me out. If I was trading two, then maybe I got one off through here and 1.5, and then the second one's at break even up here, and it's never even touched. Yesterday I allowed the 7104 to knock me out, and today I allowed this area right here to knock me out. So two times I had it within my grasp, and I just allowed it to beat me. So I allowed it to happen. Just me, myself, and I allowed this to happen. So that's it. That's all I have to say about today. It was just a day that I'd love to have back. I'll talk to you later. Bye now.